Hey friends, it's Julie. Welcome back to Row & Co Farms. We're back in the pantry and we've got to do a little cleanup again, and we're going to be adding a new shelf so we can add a whole nother bunch of pantry storage space. So come along with me today and let's clean the pantry. I know you guys love doing this with me. You show it every single time, so show me your love this time again. Let's clean our pantry together. Well, I'm going to add to my storage here in the pantry right here on top. I bought this shelf the other day at Aldi and it was a really good price. You guys know I love my Aldi, and so we're going to put this shelf together and just put it right here on top, and it'll give us 4 more shelves, actually 5, 4, sorry, 4 shelves to store more stuff on. So come along, let's put it together. Because of the angle of our ceiling, we had to cut off about 3 inches from the back side of the top of these poles so that it would fit on top of the shelf. I really love the way this shelf turned out, and I figured out after the fact that if I raise up the bottom 2 shelves a few inches, I will gain the 5th shelf that I was talking about earlier in the video. I like to store all of my dry goods in glass containers, and so this is me just swapping over all of the different ingredients from the packaging into glass containers. I like it this way because it's easier to see all of the things that I have and know if I need to get more. The glass containers also help keep out any pests, because we do live in the country and occasionally there are mice around, and we want to make sure that mice do not get inside our food storage. So anytime we have cardboard or paper packaging, I always make sure to get rid of that because mice like cardboard and they can chew through it. And the plastic packaging just looks very bright and garish, and I like to have that covered up and minimized as much as possible inside a glass container. We keep lots of bulk items in these 5-gallon buckets underneath our shelves. And when it's time to refill our glass containers, we just refill from these buckets. So here I am refilling sugar, and then I also keep rice, oats, different types of flours, cornmeal. I keep dog and cat food and different types of sugar under here. this bag. Oh, we can't pick that up. Oh, yeah, you want to but I want to see it before soon. This would be on the blooper reel. There it goes. Alright, well it's not, it may not. I got it now. No, okay. Slow down. Slow down. Don't let it spill.
It's heavy. It's heavy.
Baby, she said, will you play with me?
Mommy's back.
Oh, will you change me? No. No, bro.
I hate to break it to you.
I'm attempting to make a dent in the snack area. We have all kinds of snacks up here. There's just opened bags of chips, crackers, peanut butters, and all kinds of things. And so I'm just sorting through, getting rid of some of the older items and things that where the bags have been left open and things have gone stale. So just getting rid of things that don't need to be here anymore and making it a little bit more accessible. What you want? Show me. What is that? Mango? You like mangoes?
Oh, you want
You want to pick one? You want to pick one for Owie too?
Oh, we want you.
You got one for me?
Oh.
Thank you, baby. Cheers! Yay! I went ahead and made some adjustments to the shelving. This is actually a day or two later, but I wanted to go ahead and add it into the video because it made a huge difference in how the shelving worked for us in here. Still sealed. thank you so much for being here today with me, guys, and organizing the pantry and sorting through things like we always do. It's always a fun time, and I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this content today, please hit that like button down below and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And I can't wait to see you guys next time here at Row & Co Farms.